In pictures and floor plans and drawings in ClarenSpec, there are three modes. View allows you to pan and zoom, Shapes, so you can add any shape, and Text Balloons, so you can add annotations with text. Under Shapes, you tap the plus to select your shape. We'll select Rectangle. Two green dots allows you to move the shape. If you tap one, you then get a pivot point, so you can rotate and stretch the shape. Then the opposing corner, you can stretch two sides. Then if you select two sides, you can stretch it in that direction. Let's just straighten it up. Now we'll look at changing the fill. So we select the fill tool and we set the level. Then we'll set the line width and change the colour. Now we can tap on that shape in the middle and we can move it where we want to place it. And finally we'll stretch it over the room we wish to highlight. Back to panning and zooming, you can then zoom in and have a look.